Hi there! In this video I'm going to show you how to make a stacked single crochet. The first step to making a stacked single crochet is to make a single crochet. So I'm going to work into this first chain here and make a single crochet. Next we are going to work in what I call the crossbar, which is the loop that crosses over on the outside of the single crochet. So we'll insert our hook here and make another single crochet. So that's a stacked single crochet. This is often used to replace a chain up for the height of a double crochet. So let's do a double crochet next to it so we can see how the height compares. So it's similar to the height of a double crochet and can be used to start a round or a row. I hope you found this helpful.